Alright guys, today we have a G43X. So if you don't know, in the shield upgrade we have here, make sure the gun's completely clear, but we have shield arms Magwell, we have shield arms button upgrade, we have shield arms mags. So I've been running into a problem here. This is your normal range FMJ tipped round, and it'll go in there just fine, but there's this little lip when I'm running my hollow points. If you can see, there's a flat tip, flat tip, flat tip. So the flat tip catches on this little lip here. There's a little lip, you can see all the metal where it hits right there, a little bit right here, but not as much. Obviously shield arms isn't going to be able to make the best like milling there, because it's going to be going to plastic and you can't get it perfect. But what I'm going to be doing today is taking this file. I'm going to field strip it first, and when I'm doing this, I'm going to make sure I keep it tilted, and I'm just going to kind of round out from here to here, down, and then maybe file it. You can feel the edge. You'll know when to stop when you're getting to that plastic. You don't really want to go too far, but shouldn't be too bad. Just like I said, make sure keep it this orientation so you're not getting all the cruddy duds up top. All right, back from my filing back from my filing endeavor. So as you can see, I also just cleaned this, so like whatever. Right here, you see where it's silver. That's where I just filed it. You really just want to kind of get this smooth coming into this direction. The lip from here to here that you feel doesn't matter. All that matters is your mag going in this way and this way. So once you feel this smoothness right here, you're gonna be good there. On this section, you're really going to emphasize, so you see this angle right here to here, that angle going this way, you're going to want to take the file here, and you really want it at this angle all the way that you can get it, because you want to create a flat lip here, because what they have is like it goes to here and then it kind of comes flat out, and what you need to create is just a straight in lip so that this just slides right in there, and then you won't have any issues at all. So yeah, I don't really have any other things to give you for information. I guess when I was filing it, I had it on a box like this, help keep it like that, held it on a box like that. But yeah, if you guys find this useful at all, appreciate you giving a subscribe or a like or something. If not, whatever. Hope you guys have a great day.